What is up everybody, Jasker and Dhillon here. Today I have a quick update for you guys regarding the housing market and the falling lumber prices that we're currently experiencing. 2021 has been a crazy year for the real estate market and for new construction. It's as if everyone wanted a home at the same time, and obviously we didn't have many homes to go around. So therefore prices of existing homes, new construction homes and building materials went through the roof. Now, currently a lot of people are wondering the same questions again and again. Is it a good time to buy real estate? Should they buy new construction homes or should they hold off? Are the prices of real estate gonna go down? Or will the real estate market crash eventually? Well, those are the questions that I'm looking to shed some light on in this video and help provide some answers. So, in this video, we're going to explore the recent fall in lumber prices, how builders are reacting to them, and how that will impact the real estate market and the housing prices overall. But before we get into today's video, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing down below, and if you find value in whatever kind of information I'll be sharing with you guys today, smash that like button, as that really helps me out a lot to reach out to more and more people like yourself. Well, now that that's out of the way, let's get into today's video. Before analyzing dropping lumber prices, let's see what the most recent trend has been with builders and developers and their new construction clients. Let's take a look at this article and what it has to say. Another Canadian real estate developer is asking buyers for more cash for lumber. Let's take a look. Another Canadian real estate developer is asking buyers to cover soaring material costs. Dalpark Homes, a Greater Toronto real estate developer, is the latest to ask buyers for a top-up. And here's what they had to say in an email that they sent to their clients. Hello, we have started construction on your home, but as you're probably aware, lumber prices have unexpectedly skyrocketed in price by over 300%, not including price increases of over 15% of all the materials due to the supply chain disruptions, therefore creating a lack of supply. We were willing to absorb these costs in the beginning, however, this is too big of a hit to absorb now. For the past year or so, as you guys saw from the article, this has been the trend with most builders and developers. Due to the cost of raw materials jumping so much, builders and developers have been constantly asking their clients for a top-up, or if they weren't doing that, their margins were just dropping drastically. Now, that is what has been going on for the past year or so. Let's take a look at what is currently going on and what is going on with lumber prices. Well, as you guys can see, I'm referencing a Better Dwelling article, and this is their title. Lumber prices are crashing at 30% below peak and forecast to fall further. Let's take a look. The recent surge in lumber prices helped to push home prices higher, but now they're crashing. As I was mentioning to you guys, what has been going on for the past year or so. Lumber prices closed today nearly 30% below all-time high reached in May. The recent surge in prices pushed builder costs up by tens of thousands of dollars. This sent home prices much higher, leading to an interesting potential reversal. While lumber prices have crashed, a much bigger drop is still forecasted from here. Let's take a look at the lumber price commodity and what is the price action from this graph. So as you guys can see from this graph, prices of lumber peaked around April, and since then they have been dropping at a constant rate for the next month or two. Now, what is the future of these lumber prices? Are they still gonna go down in the near future? What are experts saying about this? Let's take a look at some articles so they can give us a better perspective. So let's take a look at this article. Lumber prices forecasted to fall another 60% from where they are currently. Analysts are forecasting a much bigger drop in lumber prices in the coming next few months. One of Canada's largest banks is calling a drop to US $415 per thousand board feet in 2022. That is 66% lower than the current price, which may seem like a lot, but lumber is more volatile than people think. So, analysts are predicting a price drop of over 50% in the coming few months. I would say in the coming 6 to 12 months. So naturally, the question that comes to mind is, should we hold off on our personal DIY projects? Should we hold off on the new construction home that we're planning to buy this coming summer? Well, now let's take a look at what an executive in the lumber industry is saying about future price predictions. So, lumber executives sees price falling, suggests waiting might be a smart idea. Kai Little, the CEO of Sherwood Lumber, told CNBC he expects lumber prices to drop over the next year, as I said, in the next 6 to 12 months. So discretionary building projects may want to wait, suggested the lumber exec. He sees lumber prices slipping over the next 6 to 12 months, which is also my personal opinion. It's just not him telling people it's okay to wait either. His clients have begun instructing customers to put off purchasing if possible. So he means that new developers and new construction sales agents have also advised clients to stop and think before making a decision. However, let's continue reading. Little agreed on the timeline, saying the relief would come in the next 6 to 12 months, though he warns lumber prices won't be falling back to pre-pandemic levels. We're in month 12 of what we believe to be a 24 to 30 month cycle bull wave. So all in all, lumber prices are expected to fall based on the article's estimation and experts' estimation between 6 to 12 months, which is more or less in line with my personal opinion. So if you're in the market to buy a new construction home or even existing homes, if you have that timeline to wait another 6 to 12 months, I would definitely advise to do that so you don't end up overpaying for the house of your dreams. However, if you're still in the market and you want to buy a house right away, always consult with your realtor and try to find the best deal that there is in your current market. Well, that was it for today's video. I know today's video was a short video, but I did want to put this video out and update you guys on what's going on with lumber and lumber prices. And if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button right down below, you guys, and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. So that was it, and I'll see you guys in the next video on the tripod.